How's it going, everybody? This is Joel Bowman. We have spa deliveries today. Let's get into it. Let's go. How's it going? We're in Shelley, Idaho. I'll take you back, show you the spot. We're gonna take it, we're gonna block the back tires, we're gonna slide it off. As we're gonna slide it, we're gonna spin it one way so the controls end up here. They're on the back right now. Literally the only reason I work here is to lift heavy and look cute doing it, you know? I'll start on the front ones.
30 minutes to 2 hours. The clips, what they do is they hold down the cover flying away from wind. It's out here in those open fields, winds will take it like that.
Just moving it, getting it in place so our electrical can go in. So we just pushed a fish tape through so we can get the wire from the box to the tub with no problems.
To have 220, you gotta have 2 wires on each breaker, and then you got to take your ground out, which is your green one, and you got to take your neutral out for the heaters, what they require on this tub. The tub hooks to the breaker itself, and then these come up to the top so that if they have a problem with, you know, short or water, it trips out so you're protected from getting hurt. All top tubs have to have.
Honestly. We're about to turn the breaker on, get the power to the spa. That's nice.
Yeah?
We just finished our hot tub here in Shelley, Idaho. Everything went well. We're finished. Water's warming. Chemical maintenance is done. We're on our way home.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on our social media for more content from Leisure Time.